This week's boiler tip is rotating your feed pump. Feed pump's a critical part of your boiler room because it's how we put water in the boiler, and if we can't do that, we're not making any steam. It's so important, in fact, that we often have more than one feed pump to ensure that we always have one available. But if we want to make sure that our backup pump is ready to go, we recommend rotating the pumps weekly so we can compare their operation and make sure that they're both in good condition. So before I rotate the pumps, I'm going to note my operating pressure, and here I'm just over 200 psi. That's going to vary according to your boiler room and your load conditions, which is why we want to check it as we swap pumps. Here we can see our other pump has got the same pressure on the outlet, and presuming that our boiler load's the same and all other conditions are the same because we switched it relatively instantly, we know that those pumps are both in good condition.